think it was gonna be good because I don't like trying creamers I don't know, but I thought it would be good because I like caramel and stuff. So even has like a little burnt taste to it. I don't know if that's just the mocha inside of it, but this is really good, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ashley and I make all types of content, house updates, pregnancy updates, just a lot going on. Today is all about decluttering. So I'm going to be decluttering one of the rooms that we are really not using. I am a cozy minimalist, so very simple living, simple everything. So this house is 1,176 square feet. Yeah, so almost is right under 1,200 square feet. We do plan to find a bigger space, but for now this is what we are living in, and we try to adapt and we embrace what we already have and be content in the moment. And so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be decluttering. So let me bring my coffee because this coffee is really good, guys. And I'm going to show you guys. So it's going to get a little dark going through the living room. Okay, so now we're in another room, the front of the house. Like I told you guys, this is a very small house. This is the front entrance, and then when you come around here, that's the living room area, and then that's the kitchen where I just was. I'm going to be sharing a house tour with you guys once I feel that it's where I want it to be. So alright guys, so this is the overview of the room. I'm sorry for my voice in advance. It is very scratchy. I had a rough day at work. I teach 4th grade math, and I was virtual, and now I'm back in the classroom. So this is an overview. I wanted to give you guys the raw, the real before I even started. So we do not have a shed. We don't have a garage. And last year I taught kindergarten. This year I'm teaching 4th grade. So all of this stuff goes into this closet where I like teaching stuff, and that's where I've been using it for right now. I needed to take a small coffee break before I even started and finish up my coffee to give me some energy to just get my mind right, guys. It was a hot mess in there. You guys can see it, right? So the first thing I do when I declutter, you can take this advice as well. Just begin anywhere. Like, find a place where you know, okay, these things have a place already. I'm just gonna put it away. So all of that teaching stuff had a place in that closet, and I think I had to remove all that stuff to get to the suitcase because we were in between trips and stuff. So yeah, this is our storage room, and it's a AKA gaming room, AKA music room, AKA partial shed. It's just a mess, but you know, I gotta get it done. So what I normally do as well, I get all the trash and all the laundry, anything that I can sort and put into place. That's what I do first. And then I go through every box and every nook and every cranny. But at first I try to clear the floor to get anything that's not supposed to be. Alright guys, so this is the progress so far. Not much to update on, but I got all the clothes and all the linen situated. This is our only linen basket, only linen in general. So we have extra sheets and pillowcases, mattress protectors, but we do not have extra covers, blankets, stuff like that. We just have like the minimum. We just wash what we have, and it is not a problem until we have company, which we only had one time this year since we bought that. So I am now decluttering a few bags that I had tucked away. I have a bag for all of my fall decor. I'm just going through it and just making sure that I'm keeping all what's in there. And if I'm not going to keep it, I'm going to donate, repurpose, or throw away. I also have a hair accessory bag that we don't use every day. It's just things in there like rollers and extensions and wigs and blow dryers and bows and stuff like that that we don't use every day, but it has to have a place. And I'm going to show you guys our bathroom storage, and you'll see why that's in here. We don't have that much storage anywhere. But yeah, I threw some of that stuff out, guys. It was just a hot mess. So some things I haven't used in a year or so, it had to go. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. This is basically all the craft stuff that I currently have. I had a sewing machine. I got a Cricut machine. A lot of my things got left in the other apartment. That's a long story, which I'm gonna fill you guys in on how a lot of my personal possessions got left in the apartment and it was thrown away by the landlord before our lease was up. So we do have a lawsuit pending for that. I'm gonna try to put this stuff in that wooden basket. That's the goal, to fit everything in that wooden basket without overfilling it. And yeah, so let's see. Alright guys, so this is the completion of the decluttering of this room. I don't have like fancy bins or anything like that. Like I said before, just use what you have to store what you have, and then that way when you do, like when I do this room or like when we move and all that, I will be putting these things into the correct bins how I want them. But for right now, this is what it looks like, and this was gonna work for us. We don't go in these bins every day, so it should stay there, and you know, that's how it should be. Right over here is where we keep all of our beach stuff. So we take chairs, cooler, and then we take a speaker thing. But that's what we take to the beach, and we go to the beach a lot. And then my husband's gaming stuff, this is just how it's set up right now. It's nothing special. Over here is we have like things that would go in a shed or garage, like tools and stuff. And then my husband's weight thing, and then we have our Wi-Fi, which I need to figure out a wire system. But for right now, like I said before, this is what's happening. This is what it looks like. This is also my husband's section. He does music. So I don't know if I ever said that on here, but he does Christian rap. He used to do a lot of music. He kind of has been like not doing it as much, but he invested a lot into this stuff. So hopefully he starts back soon. But this is what this is where he keeps all his stuff, his laptop and everything, my printer, his other workout thing, Bibles over here, and then like some CDs. And those CDs have like not like like DVDs. Well, some DVDs in there, but it's basically like church CDs and like my kids' ultrasounds and stuff like that, our wedding video, stuff like that we don't want to give away or do without. So that's what the setup is like. We threw those blinds up. The windows are not measured correctly, so these two actually fit, and then this one, same size, looks like that. So we gotta like figure it out some kind of way. And then in here is basically all my teaching stuff from last year. I was a new teacher, and basically I didn't use any of this because I went from kindergarten to 4th grade, but I am planning on going back to the primary grades, so that's the plan. I did take a nap, so I am beat. I don't know, I just was so tired, I just like fell asleep. So I did take a nap. The kids are wild up now, and I'm gonna start dinner and all that. So I just wanted to end the vlog here. I did put his other thing up here. This is all the stuff that we were giving away. I threw everything away in the other bag that was for trash. So it's done, it's clean in here. I'm gonna probably not come in here again, but hopefully this room stays clean. There shouldn't be any reason where things should be taken out. I kind of eliminated all of that. I tried to anyways. If you like this content, guys, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm going to get dinner started. We're gonna have shepherd's pie tonight. My husband will be home in about an hour and a half or so. So I need to get myself together a little bit, okay? And I will see you guys on the next video.
Thanks for watching. Bye.